Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread black people step by step. Mix 1 cup cornmeal, 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt in a bowl. Whisk 2 large eggs with 1 cup buttermilk and 1/4 cup melted butter until smooth. Fold wet ingredients into dry just until combined, then pour into a hot grease skillet or pan ready for the oven. Always keep the batter slightly lumpy for the best texture and avoid a gluey crumb by mixing until just combined. Use a light hand when incorporating wet and dry ingredients, folding with a spatula rather than vigorous whisking. If the batter seems too thick, add a tablespoon of milk at a time until you reach a spoonable consistency that spreads easily in the pan without running. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is featured here, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it's a fun, practical read to enjoy with a warm slice. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place the pan in the preheated 425 degrees F oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, watching for a deeply golden top and edges that pull slightly from the pan. Use a toothpick to test for doneness and remove when it comes out clean. Allow the cornbread to rest 5 to 10 minutes so it firms up and slices neatly, then brush the top with melted butter for a warm, tender finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.